Hi folks, welcome back to Hilly's Travels. Good to have you along again. This is a apartment tour of the two-bedroom apartment that we're staying at the Parque Santiago III in Playa de las Americas in Tenerife. Come with me. So here we go. Now I've left this room tour deliberately until we were a day or two into the holiday. Reason being, I wanted to see if we liked the place or not, or what we did like about it, what we don't like about it, etc. So what we're going to do is we're going to start upstairs in what I call bedroom number 1. So let's go. So here we go into the bathroom, just off the back of bedroom 1. This is bathroom 1, by the way. There are 2 bathrooms in here as well. Your sink unit, your toilet, got a bidet just there as well. And as we go in, on the left hand side you've got a very nice shower unit, actually, a very spacious shower unit. There we go. And you got a couple of hooks up here to hang things on. So I've brought one of those bags that is folded up and in the suitcase, but you can fold it out, different compartments within it, put in your toothbrush, shavers, deodorants, all that kind of stuff. Real good, safe, space-saving device. Right, so let's just go back here a sec and look at this window that's in the bathroom. I was kind of worried about this when I saw it first, and so was my wife, because it looks directly across at the bathroom window of another apartment. However, it looks like it's darkened glass from the outside, so you cannot see in. So that's good. Okay, so no panic there, no worries. As we go back around here, back into the bedroom. Before I show you the beds, let's go and look at the storage space. So we have plenty of shelf spaces there. You got your safety deposit there as well. More shelving just underneath that. And on this side, you got longer hanging spaces. You know, hang dresses and that kind of thing as well, on trousers. Okay. And again, some shelf space just underneath that too. So let's go away from that and look at the beds. Now we got a bedside locker over here with the light switches on the wall and a power unit. The mirror we brought along ourselves. Then you got the bedroom, or the beds. The beds are, as you can see here, made up as 2 singles pushed together. To make a big double out of. I suppose you could separate them, but there wouldn't be much room to do that. Nice picture above the headboard. Moving over to this side, another lamp, a lamp on both sides. And on this side you got, again, light switches, and instead of a power socket, there's a USB port. And this thing you see on the wall here is a remote control for the ceiling fan. The ceiling fan being the only air conditioning that there is, which is great because both bedrooms have it. And it is actually really good and really comfortable in the evening as well. Comfortable enough too whenever you're getting ready to go out. Now, you have this thing here. It's glass underneath, where you can see right down into the lower half, which we're going to show you now in a second. There's the balcony there. So again, maybe not too private. Just be careful if you're sharing it with a family. You don't want your kids to see your bits. Right, let's go down the stairs. And we're going to show you bedroom 2. So just at the bottom of the stairs here, to the right hand side, you got bedroom 2. Similar setup, although the beds here are done as two separate single beds. One bedside locker in the middle. Again, just above the bedside locker on the wall, you've got a USB port, and again a remote control for the ceiling fan. And then we go around here, and this is where the second bedroom is. Second bathroom. Mixing up my words today. There we go. Again, toilet, sink, shower unit, hanging spaces. Really good, actually. Really nice ensuite, actually. And then a wardrobe unit as well to hang up your clothes, and shelf spaces underneath. So let's come out of bedroom 2. So there's your front door to the apartment again, which we came in just at the beginning of the tour. You gotta put the key card in the little slot there for the electric. Okay. Move over into the kitchenette area. So there's the kitchenette area, well equipped. We brought along our own tea towels and that, but we didn't need to, because underneath the sink, they have actually given us some, which we didn't realise, of course, until we moved in. Underneath that, the bin, which is slide out from a drawer unit, like so. And of course, your cutlery. It's in the top drawer. And a corkscrew as well. You got some plates in there. And underneath is some pots and pans. There we go. So, we have what looks like a coffee maker in the corner. You got 4 rings. Well, you don't. You got 3 rings on the hob. You got a grill, an oven. Just across here is the fridge. I don't think there's a freezer compartment in it, mind you, which is a bit strange. And another what looks like a coffee maker. You got a kettle just off to the side of that on the breakfast bar. And just behind that, we have a table where you can dine if you're into doing the whole self-catering thing. And there's a shop right across the road, actually, so it's a fully stocked supermarket. It's brilliant. Everything that you would need should you want to do some self-catering instead of eating out the whole time. Looking over here then, underneath the stairs, a lovely little space to put your empty suitcases. And beside your suitcases, just a little table there with direct dial phone, a lamp, and turning over here, a really comfy bed, which I'm pretty sure turns into a double sofa bed, which would mean there would be room for 6 people in this apartment, with the 2 bedrooms as well. 2 beds in each bedroom, double sofa bed, 6 people, so a family of 6, perfect. There we have the coffee table, the TV remote controls on there. Some more drawer space over here for you. Then there's the TV itself. And then let's move out onto the balcony, which is a pretty good sized balcony. There are bigger, there are smaller though. You got your table, you got 4 chairs, actually 5 chairs, a little chair on its own, a Billy No Weights chair in the corner there. You've got over here somewhere where you can dry your clothing, dry your beach towels, all that kind of stuff. And then look at this for a view, my friends. Let's just take a moment to enjoy this. So out here you got, as you can see, some other apartments on the left. That's what they call a garden view from here. Although what we're looking at there is what they call the adults only area, which also has the gymnasium there too, that little building you see there in the middle. So that's the adults only area. And then there's more accommodation over that side. And in the distance there you can see the sea, or the Atlantic Ocean as it is actually. So you can see the ocean in the horizon there. Beautiful view from the balcony. I will show you a full complex tour where we will walk around all that area and show you the pool and all that too. So again, please do subscribe to the channel. It's Hilly's Travels. Just below the video here you'll see the subscribe button. It's free. Thank you very much for doing that. Also hit the notification bell beside that if you want to be notified of when I upload other videos. And of course, a really important thing for the channel is if you could please hit the like button as well on the video. And that way, you know, we can see all my videos, and you can have a look around and see if you fancy coming here sometime. Or maybe you've been here. If you have, again, drop a comment below and let me know if you've been here before. Let me know what you think of the apartment and the complex in general. So thank you very much. That's the room tour. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next video. But for now, bye bye.